Om, the first sound of the universe beyond religion. Om is made up of 3 sounds. A, U, and Ma. A represents your conscious state. U represents your subconscious state. And Ma represents the unconscious state. And the silence after we chant Om, pure awareness. Even the symbol of Om has a meaning. The lower curve represents your conscious or waking state. The middle curve represents your subconscious or dream state. And the upper curve represents your unconscious or deep sleep state. And the dot above represents pure consciousness. And the half moon separating the dot and the Om, this represents Maya or illusion that keeps us unaware or ignorant. So when we chant Om, we are not being religious, we are being aware of our own consciousness.